Hello students, welcome, and today we will discuss IELTS speaking about public transport. So often I see students get confused about public transport. They don't even know what is public transport. Firstly, cars are not public transport. Public transport basically means a transportation system whereby many number of people that come in and travel via it. Okay, it is generally operated by the government or by private entities as well. It comprises of buses, trains, and certain times you can say, and certain times taxis also, which are provided by the government itself. So the question is, what kind of public transportation do you usually take? I often take the bus or subway for my daily commute as it is affordable and available frequently as compared to other means of transport. Other means of transport is private transportation such as cars, which we have, or bicycles or bikes for that matter. Daily commute means going to and fro to your office, from your office to your home, or to the supermarket to your home. Daily commute is a travel which you do daily. Okay, it is affordable. Public transportation is affordable. Why? Because the cost is spread out. Only one person is not paying for the whole bus. Okay, it is cheaper and the cost is divided among all the individuals that are taking the bus or the train. Second question is, when do you usually take public transportation? I mostly use public transport in my everyday life, especially when I'm going to work or running errands. Okay, running errands means again going to the supermarket to buy groceries or stuff. Now here you can specify time also. I usually use the public transport in morning time. You can specify a certain time also for going to the office. But here I have written in this way because I usually use public transport many times a day. So that's why I have said that I use public transport in everyday life. But there are people who use public transport once a day or twice a day, but not every time. Question number third. Do most people prefer public transport in your country? Yes, in my country, public transportation is quite popular since it is convenient, cheap, and helps avoid traffic due to dedicated bus lanes. In many countries, there are dedicated bus lanes on which only buses can come. No cars are allowed on this lane. And in my country, public transportation is cheap, convenient. You can also say no. No, most people do not prefer. Why? Because public transportation takes lots of time, it doesn't come on time, etc. etc. And that's why you most people prefer private transportation, their own vehicles. Okay. So the fourth question is, did you take public transportation when you were a kid? Since the question is asking when you were a kid, did you take the public transportation? It is talking about in the past. So please make sure that your tenses are correct. You use past tense and not present or future. The answer should be yes. I used to take the bus as my primary mode of transportation to commute to my school. As my school did not have its own buses, since my school did not have its own buses, it did not run its own buses, I had to use public transportation. Okay, and what mode of public transportation? Buses. Besides that, now besides that is a connector. Besides the connector, furthermore, you can also say, I also used to take the rickshaw with my mother to go to and fro from the market. You can also say, besides that, I also used to ride a bike, used to ride bicycle to go to and fro from the market. Okay, so this is how you should answer questions related to public transportation. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button